Number 5. You can code a whole game with Chat GPT. You don't even need knowledge of coding to create it. Everyone can do it. You just need a good, simple idea and then build up your code step by step. Number 4. Perplexity AI is a combination of Bing and Chat GPT and is connected to the internet. The results are, in my opinion, not that good compared to the real GPT, but it is free and awesome if you need real-time information. Number 3. Did you know that you can create your own chatbot in WhatsApp? Again, you don't need any coding knowledge for that. Simply use a bot program like BotPress, and you are ready to create your homemade bot. Number 2. Everyone knows that the knowledge of Chat GPT is limited to the cutoff date of September 2021. Chat GPT Plus doesn't have this one, but it costs around $20 a month. Number 1. This is my favorite one. You know that Chat GPT can explain difficult stuff. But you know what's amazing? If you put the sentence "explain it to me" using first principle thinking at the end of your question, Chat GPT will explain it to you in really easy to understand sentences and even explain the functions. You don't believe me? Try it out. That's it with my video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers.